Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2012 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, front-wheel drive, driver airbag, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer, compass, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.